Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to move Microsoft documents into Google Drive. Have you ever needed to access your Microsoft documents on different devices or share them seamlessly with others? Moving your files into Google Drive can solve this problem by offering cloud-based storage and enhanced collaboration tools. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to transfer your Microsoft documents into Google Drive efficiently and effortlessly. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you need to open up your web browser and head over to your Google Drive account. If you aren't already logged in, make sure you use your Google credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, you're all set to start transferring those Microsoft files. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your Google Drive page. You'll find a button labeled New. This is your starting point for uploading files. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options for creating new files and folders. The one you need is labeled File Upload. By selecting File Upload, your computer's File Explorer will pop open. This is where you can browse through your local files and select the Microsoft document or documents you wish to transfer. Whether it's a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint presentation, you can easily locate them here. Navigate to the correct folder on your computer where these files reside. If you're planning to upload just one file, click on it to select. However, if you're looking to upload several files at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while selecting each file you want to move. This handy trick lets you pick multiple files without hassle. Once you've chosen the files you want to transfer, click the Open button in the File Explorer window. This action will initiate the upload process to your Google Drive account. You'll notice a small pop-up at the bottom right corner of your screen, indicating the progress of your upload. Once completed, Google Drive will notify you with a message confirming the successful upload of your file. And just like that, you've moved your Microsoft document onto Google Drive. But wait, there's a bonus tip. If you plan to use these Microsoft files within Google's ecosystem, you might want to consider converting them into Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides format. To do this, simply open the document within Google Drive and select the option to open it using the corresponding Google application. This conversion allows you to take full advantage of Google's collaborative features, such as real-time editing with others. There you have it, a quick and easy way to move your Microsoft documents into Google Drive. Whether you're doing this for backup, sharing, or collaborative work, you'll find that having your files on Google Drive enhances both accessibility and convenience. And that wraps it up. If how to move Microsoft documents into Google Drive feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.